I'm so scared. Oh my god.
4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Copeland, over 9 miles north of Everglades City, moving northwest at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations of hazards include Poughkeepsie Strand State Preserve, Piquet Strand State Forest, South Lost Gold, Jerome and Deep Lake. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
The hurricane's starting, baby.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Let's blow the roof off this place.
The hurricane is going.
I'm hoping. I don't.
Oh my god! Whoa, it's actually moving me! Oh my god! Somebody's roof is getting destroyed in this hurricane.
Another roof is destroyed.
Oh my god! Do you guys see it? It's getting off of it. On the White House. It's so sad. Oh my god, the tree is wiggling! No, the tree is wiggling! Whoa, something is flying in the air! So sad, guys. Here's an update. One girl was trying to save her house from getting destroyed. It's that blue house. I don't know if you can see it. It's peeling off of it. It's so sad. Knowing that people's houses are getting destroyed over this Ian hurricane. It just makes me sad.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.